Hi everyone, my name is Yana and today I want to show you this absolutely amazing product. This is a small portable air conditioner. It's absolutely amazing. You can take this conditioner with you or you can put this conditioner in your room. It's absolutely amazing. It's very small, it's portable, you can take it with you anywhere. So this air conditioner has button power, then you have 2 modes and 3 speeds. Also this conditioner has 2 lights. So right now I'm gonna show you. I press the power. As you see, it start work, and speed number 1, number 2 and 3. It's very nice. Also, if you wanna, you can put the light, so it's pretty nice, or like this. So it's changed the color.